Recording has started. Ayan, okay na.
Oo.
Sige. Balik ko sa first link. Okay, hindi. Good morning. My name is Rain, and with me is Junil. We are the founders of Aqua Studio, and we are here today to ask for $30,000 for a 33.3% equity stake in our company. So, what are we building? Alberta's premier destination for guaranteed living artwork. We transform the frustrating and complex hobby of aquascaping into seamless, beautiful, and hassle-free experience for homeowners and businesses.
Right now, the market is broken. For beginners, it's nightmare. On one end, you have mass retailers like PetSmart and Petland. They sell generic, low quality setups with stress, often diseased fish. The result? High mortality rates, frustrating, and a hobby abandoned. It's an overwhelming and disappointing experience. On the other end, high-end custom aquascapers create stunning tanks, but their services are prohibitively expensive for the average person. And crucially, they often offer no ongoing support, leaving clients with a beautiful but fragile ecosystem they can't maintain. This creates a vast undeserved gap in the middle. Customers are forced to choose between failure and bankruptcy. They need a partner, not just a product. Aqua Studio bridges this gap with our unique integrated solution, guaranteed living artwork. We provide not just a tank, but a fully stabilized, thriving aquatic ecosystem. Our solution rests on three pillars. First, artistic design. We offer curated pre-designed packages for beginners and breathtaking custom installation for those wanting a unique centerpiece. Second, scientific precision. This is our secret sauce. We operate a proprietary in-house breeding program. This means our fish and plants are disease-free, acclimatized, and hardy, dramatically increase survival rates. And third, unwavering support. We offer subscription-based maintenance plan that handle everything: cleaning, water testing, emergency care. We guarantee the long-term health and beauty of your aquarium. You get all the beauty with none of the hassle.
The opportunity is substantial. The Canadian ornamental fish industry is valued at 6.5 billion and is still growing. Our target is clear. Homeowners aged 25 to 45, so they value aesthetics, wellness, and convenience, but lack the time and expertise. In Alberta alone, this represents nearly 2 million people. Commercial clients, so these are boutique hotels, modern offices, spas, and other institutions similar to those. They see our aquascapes as an investment in their brand and customer experience. So this is a high value segment with a strong appetite for long-term service contracts. They're all looking for what we provide: quality, sustainability, and peace of mind. So what sets us apart? We don't just compete, we created a new category. As you can see, mass retailers are stuck selling low quality products. Online stores sell components without services. High-end artists sell art without support. But Aqua Studios stands completely alone. We are the only ones who integrate the entire value of chain, design, healthy homebred livestock, installation, and ongoing maintenance. Our in-house breeding program is a sustainable competitive advantage. It's not something a competitor can replicate overnight. It takes years of specialized knowledge and significant upfront investment. This, combined with our recurring revenue for maintenance, creates a powerful and defensible business model. So our revenue model is designed for stability and growth through dual streams. Stream 1 is project-based. This includes one-time fees from our pre-designed and high-margin custom aquascape installations. In year 1, we uh, this includes one-time fees from our pre-designed and high-margin custom aquascape installations. In year 1, we forecast 75,000 from this stream. Stream 2 is recurring revenue. This is the engine of our business. So it includes retail sales of our homebred livestock and plants, sales of aquarium products, and crucially, our subscription maintenance plans. By year 2, we project that over 40% of our revenue will be recurring, providing predictable cash flow and building lasting relationships as a future third stream will be wholesale B2B supply to local partners.
Now let's talk numbers. Our financial projections are conservative and achievable. In year 1, we forecast just over 300,000 in revenue, reaching profitability. We grow steadily to 420,000 by year 3. To make this a reality, we are seeking 30,000 in seed funding. This capital will be rocket fuel for our launch. It will cover the build out of our studio and breeding facility in Red Deer, the initial inventory of livestock and high grade equipment, and our marketing launch campaign to capture the market from day one. We are deeply committed. We are personally investing 15,000 of our own capital, ensuring our interests are perfectly aligned with yours.
So behind this venture is a dedicated team with complementary skills. So I'm Rainiel, handling business strategy, marketing, and finance.
John Hill, bringing the technical expertise. I've spent years mastering the science of aquaculture and the art of aquascaping, which is the foundation of our quality promise.
We have the
We have
perfect blend
perfect blend of
of
business
acumen
and technical
and technical
mastery
mastery to make Aqua Studio a resounding
resounding
success.
success.
So to conclude,
So we are
we are
solving
solving a real
a real and
and
painful problem
painful problem in a
in a
growing
growing
market.
market.
We have a proven integrated solution with a defensible competitive advantage and a clear path to profitability.
We aren't just selling fish tanks. We're selling guaranteed beauty, tranquility, and success. Join us in making Alberta more beautiful, one sustainable ecosystem at a time. Thank you.
Thank you. Sorry, Prince. Nawala ba ako? Sorry.
Siya, anong tag dito? Record.